When working with Excel, you may have needed to add up all the numbers in a set of cells. Instead of adding each cell manually one by one, which is time-consuming and prone to errors, Excel offers a built-in solution, the sum function. In many cases, users tend to manually write each cell reference and add them up using the plus sign. This method works for small datasets, but when there are too many cells, it becomes inefficient. That's where the sum function becomes useful. The sum function allows you to select a range of cells and add their values together instantly. To use it, simply type sum and then select the range of cells you want to total. After that, press enter. Excel will automatically calculate the sum of all the numbers within the specified range. For vertical data, such as a column of numbers, you can enter the sum function and drag to select the entire column. Excel will then total all selected values. This method is much faster and more accurate than manual addition. If you're calculating a total score or total value for several rows or categories, just apply the sum function in the final cell and it will give you the complete result. This function is extremely useful when dealing with a large amount of data. By understanding and applying the sum function in Excel 365, your data calculations become faster, more efficient, and more reliable.